Welcome to Alone Business Channel. Create a border in Illustrator. Using the created border, split the screen in Premiere Pro. A border of 20 px width is created. Use Premiere Pro. Overlap the clips. Place the border created in Illustrator. Adjust the length of the clips. Click the pen icon in Effect Controls. Create a path along the border. Let's see it in action. You can split the image into two screens. Create a different layout in Illustrator. We made a diagonal shape. Use Premiere Pro. Overlay clips. Place the borders created in Illustrator. Match the clip lengths. Click the pen icon in Effect Controls. Create a path along the border. Let's see it in action. It can be divided into two screens. Thanks for listening so far. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next episode.